Her Excellency the President of the European Commission
akiaria thingiraini wa iregi hindi igongona ria gwikiranira kirore NGIRIMITI eno mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto uria kunyitite ogeni murunawe wa mabururi ma ruraya von der Leyen ni atugiritie WUIGUANO uyu akiuga ni ukugacirithia unyitaniri wa Kenya na mabururi ma ruraya no thondeke mieke makiria ya gukura kwa utonga wa bururi.
Is a great day for the hard-working people who often make their contribution to job creation, innovation, and value addition through micro, small, and medium enterprises and small businesses. I am talking about the unassuming lady in Kieni who rises every day without fail to tend to her little shamba of snow peas, which eventually cross seas and find their way to European dinner tables.
Theine wa WUIGUANO uyu riu arimi a guku bururi-ini ni mekugia na thoko ya gutura ya indo iria ikuragio guku bururi-ini undu umwe na thoko itaririhagirwo magoti cia duty free na quota free undu gucungirira gukura kwa utonga wa bururi na uthondeke mieke makiria ya mawira.
The variety of goods traded between the EU and Kenya underscores the potential of this bilateral trade framework to deliver trade and investment of volumes, diversity, and promise that we can only conclude that although today represents a moment of monumental promise, it is also the beginning of a historic partnership for historic transformation. The EU is not just a giant lucrative market.
Hamwe na aria megwikinyite igongona-ini riri ni munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua, Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi na Minister wa Wonjoria Rebecca Miano aria matugiritie WUIGUANO uyu makiuga ni ukuhura njeki arimi na onjoria a gikiro gia thi.
That this trade deal includes substantial development and cooperation elements with a focus on sustainable provisions. These include climate action, environmental protection, and labor rights, amongst others. It will therefore be a catalyst for sustainable economic growth.
We celebrate this relationship and urge for strengthening to pave way for today's trading relationship to morph into tomorrow's investment as value addition puts more money into the pockets of small and medium enterprises both in Europe and in Kenya.
Handu-ini hake von der Leyen atugiritie WUIGUANO uyu akiuga ni ukuguna miena yeri kiwonjoria na unyitaniri makiria riu akiuria mabururi maria mangi ma gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro mahimbirie unyitaniri ta uyu.
This agreement also mirrors our shared values. It includes provisions on labor rights and on gender equality, and the most ambitious provisions on climate and environment that we have ever had in a trade agreement with an African country.
Kwa ihinda riri urumwe wa ruraya iria ni ngwataniro ya mabururi 27 niyo thoko iria nene ya indo iria ikuragio na guthondekerwo guku bururi-ini na riu thoko eno ni itanyitwo kugacira ona makiria. Angi matanyitwo kuguneka na WUIGUANO uyu ni acori na aria macogaga indo cia uthaka kuona onacio ni ciriendagio mabururi-ini ma ruraya hatari mihinga. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Jitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.